Then Cinderella and the prince joined a yoga class and lived healthily ever after. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love surprise endings, don't you?
Yeah.
Say, you want to read another one?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Let's see what this one is. It's called The Number of the Day book. Sounds like a page turner. Let's see what it's about. Okay, here we go.
Here's a number called 17. It's a pretty big number, if you see what I mean.
So here's a puzzle with 17 parts turning into 17 hearts.
17 fluttering shapes fly by. 17 birds fly in the sky. 17 circles that aren't squares. 17 cookies, 17 chairs. 17 people you could meet. 17 houses on this street. 17 trees, 17 flowers.
17 minutes, 17 hours.
17 seashells I have found.
17 leaves fall to the ground.
17 fingers, we add 7 more. 17 things, 17 is 4.
17 things 17 can do. Now I'm done rapping. How about you?
17, 17.